Galatasaray eyeing Alisson as Muslera replacement for 2025. Galatasaray are interested in signing Liverpool goalkeeper Alisson in the summer, with the Turkish champions looking to replace Fernando Muslera. Muslera's contract expires at the end of the season, and the Uruguayan is unlikely to remain at Galatasaray beyond this season. The Istanbul outfit have identified Alisson as a potential target, with Sabah reporting that first contact has been made. Galatasaray are expected to face competition for Alisson's signature, with a number of clubs linked with the 32-year-old Brazilian. Alisson has made just 8 appearances for Liverpool this season due to injury and has a contract until June 2027. The move could be facilitated by Liverpool's recent signing of Georgi Mamardashvili from Valencia, who is expected to become the Reds' first-choice goalkeeper next season. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.